Welcome back to WTV. I'm still here, no Prof NGEKANI. I'm still interrogating him for the next hour or so. Prof, hey, yeah, all right. I've got a couple of cases here in Zokalangali. I've got 2 cases, I think, in the past 10 days or 11 days. As funny, but they're fun. Okay, so it's people that, like many years ago, and it's Abu Mama by 2. Many years ago, and both of them are primary, but very lazy. One, apparently, Bajonji Inwati, right? And then by 7-0, and then from there, izinto zakhe zakahambi kahle. Another one was, what was it? A school bag. Another one was a school bag, I think, something like that, yeah. Same thing, whatever. So, utracer inkinga zakhe to that event ukuthi that has happened, and since that thing, like for example, she couldn't focus in school, one had to aphume school. The other one, I think she couldn't write down my exams or something like that, or every time she would write down my exams and then everything went downhill from there. So now I have always thought ukuthi kune ezinye ichitho, for example, like bangishaya esikolweni bajonge ipenla, that will probably last for a year or 2 at the most. Ukuthi ziyahamba lezi zinto, especially as you grow older and as you get stronger as a human being. So I don't know, because that's the feedback I gave one of them. So I'm not sure ukuthi bengikhuluma umhlolo or nje is it true, because I'm trying to imagine how this thing can follow you for 40-50 years and then affect in your life for isikhathi eside kangaka.
Hey, Brakebi uzothi ngiphendula kabi lo mama mara ngizokhuluma nje iqiniso kusho kwakho. Brakebi ubuthakathi biyenzeka, ngisho ukuthi naye ekhaya kibo abazange bahlala ngalesikhathi bambona umntwana, ngoba angeke uhlala umntwana akho umbone ukuthi njalo mabhali exam uyalala o njalo mabhali exam uyagula. Umele usukume ngeenyawo uhambe bayithola iproblem ukuthi iproblem ila bayifixe leyo problem. If abakwenzanga vele kusho ukuthi kuzolasta for isikhathi leso lo muntu agcibe ngako. Umuntu wakuthakatha wafa kufa nezinto zakhe. Angisho ukuthi naye lo muntu wasuka umloya seprimary manje amsho semdala ufila angeke izi affect impilo yakhe lento leyo. Ngamanye amagama ngiyala yikho.
Okay.
Yes, ayikho. Kuthakathi bukhona bona ukuthi bangakhesa unless lo muntu ukukhesile ukuthi ayozufe ungaphumelelanga, and then maybe lapho singasho sithi singalasta, but ngine believe ukuthi aze abone ukuthi uthakathiwe incwadi ithethwe ikhona into ayiyenza mayelana nalento yesikole.
Okay.
Yes, ngoba ngeke uhlale eBrakV siyaba nawo ama cases njengamanje ezikolweni kunama evil spirit fighting abantwana besikolo, abanye sebajika abantu banamadluzi, abanye bajika banani, umntwana oseclassini uyascreama ya kwenzeka nje funny things in schools. So izinto ezifana nalezo zenzeka ubuthakathi abantu bakhona ukuthatha ingqondo yakho bafunde ngayo, wena lokuthi uyabhala kanti uyathathela ukuhlakanipha kwakho wencwadi bakwenza ngeindlela. Wena mawufika esikolweni vele makumele ubhale ufikela ubuthongo uyalala, but mathisha ayakubona lokho, and then ekuboneni kwakho bazofuna abazali ukuthi no sine problem ngalomntwana, njalo masingena eclassini uyalala, so uma umzali bakubizile kumele usukume ngeenyawo ukuthi kuza kanjani umntanami njalo eclassini uyalala.
Okay, but problem that I have, Prof, and I think from like maybe one of the people that I was interacting with, she had this thing, Wuti, Agazi, and it's not any of these 2 people. It was a different case, but because it goes back to Lempoesi school and then when Zaranjani asumzali, because then she was concerned with Agafunu introduce umuti emntwaneni wakhe, emntwana wakhe usasemncane, so manje ngizomisa bamcabe what, but then I'm also afraid ukuthi some things may happen esikolweni ngomntwana wami whatever. So how do you deal with that issue, Prof, where for example these people is 40 years 50 years ago, nothing happened, they went to school babashaya ngaleso sikhathi, they're not even sure namhlanje ukuthi they have been carrying this thing all along.
No,
as a parent, what do you do then? Do you take uyamletha umntwana, is it too early to introduce umntwana wakho lapha into ukuthi asebenziwe? What's your option as umzali? Or wena uyasebenza, or should they do izinto kuwe so that they can protect umntwana wakho? What do you do in that situation?
Yes, KB. Umama noma lo muntu ukhuluma njalo noma nawo wonke umuntu obhekele video, ngiyamxwayisa ukuthi abantwana ababahambise uma babafundise isinto ukuthi umntwanami uma uphila ufuna uvule emehlo, because if awumfundisi lento le or uthi uzama ukumprotect but ekugcineni kwako konke afail umntwana esikolweni or athekwe ma evil spirit, yoba unjani? Because of angisho thina asithakathi, thina sisiza abantu ukuthi baphile, sisiza abantu ukuthi baphumelele. Ungabi namahloni ngokuthatha umntwana umise ku doctor we African medicine, muyise umntwana lapho, nawe hambele umuzi wakho before ukuthi umuzi wakho ubiyelwe nabantwana bakho babiyelwe, so that mabaphuma baye esikolweni baba nani nokuhlakana. Lezi zinto maziqhamuka ziba attack, ungahlupheki wena bese uthi ufuna ukuthi nalomntwana experience lento wena umdala mawukhulu experience.
Okay.
Yeah, mina on my side and the knowledge yami nginayo, it's better for a person to take umndeni wakhe ayise abantwana bakhe abayise kuma African medicine. Kuyafana noma umntwana uyenza isiko. Most of people mamntwana uyenza isiko babathatha babaletha la kithi. Mkhulu sicela umqinise ukuthi mahleli lesigangeni akwazi ukuprotecteka nasesikolweni. Mthathe mntwanami namhlanje uyezi baba ukhuleni uzosebenza ijarity nani ngenzele iswasho phela sokuthi afunde. Nginazo iwasho mina la ekhaya, nginayo nemithi futhi yokuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthi mase esikolweni maye esikolweni ageze ngalezi zinto, so that uma baqala bathi ba attack bathola umntwana aqinile, mabaqala bathi ba attack bathola umntwana aqinile.
Okay,
simple.
All right, fine. So these people born about KCT, what should they, what the option that they have? What are the options?
Option umuntu okhesiwe udinga ukufika sihlale phansi sihlole ukuthi lo muntu wamkhesa kwakusukela kuphi, kwakubangiswana, and then masuka lapho we take it from there, siyilungise ngoba nakhona kusimnandi ukuthi ufela amaqala abanye abantu ongazi. Ngenzeka bebangakhesi wena babakhesa ubabakho, but wena still soluhlizi la kule case, so uyavubuya siyayihlola. Mangabe lo muntu ufile siyenza ngenye indlela ukuthi le case isuke la kuwe, kuya ngokuhloleni bra KB ila sizofika sithole impendulo zonke ukuthi okay lo muntu kufuna aqale kule spiritual realm siqala la, kumele mangabe kumele siye emanzini, makumele siye edamini siye edamini, makumele siye ehlathini siye ehlathini, makufuneka ini siye lapho, mangabe kumele siye esidulwini siyoqalekisa le case esuke la kuwe ukuthi inga affect bantwana bakho, ngoba icase iyinkinga. Ngoba umuntu uma case ngifunga ngisho nabantwana bakho nesizukulu sesizukulu sakho singabi nempumelelo, secabanga nje umzukulu wakho angawona ngalutho ayofela amaqala akho wena. So it's better ukuthi manje sibuye silungise before ifika kulomzukulu.
Okay, all right. But then I wasn't far off, Mangiti. It's not that usual.
Ayikho yona usual cause of ayikho usual. If ukhese wena ukuthi yo lo mntana lo uhlanganiphile ufunda kakhulu esikolweni kuzoba sidomo wena ngaleso sikhathi, uma kuphela isikhathi umuntu walo muntu ya expire, ngoba naye akahlala avuselela phela. Ngisho lo muntu bekafuna nethu afunde ngengqondo yakho unyaka uphela aphasa umntwana akushiye lapho uphasile phela, ngelo kahlala uyosebenzisa umunye usimangene.
Okay, all right, siyabonga bro.
Thank you sir.
Thank you.